Hi everyone! Let's create unique designs for your business and increase your profit. This is a good option if you're looking for quick sales. Let's begin. These are the materials of today. For the base, we're gonna use 45 centimeters, and before we start, we're gonna melt it. This is of 120 centimeters. And before we continue, we're gonna melt it. We're gonna start making the basic knot, and here I show you the step by step so you can follow it. We're gonna start with the left side. And now the second knot to the right side. And here I show you from closer so you can pay close attention. We're gonna continue making the basic knot until we have 5 centimeters. And once we are ready, we're gonna introduce one crystal in each side. It means one in the left side and one in the right side. Once we have our crystals, we're gonna make a basic knot, just one at the left side. And now we're gonna introduce the crystals again, but in this case we're gonna make the basic knot at the right side. And you're gonna continue this way, introducing two crystals in each side and making the basic knot, one to the left and one to the right side. You're gonna continue with the crystals until you have 5 centimeters. Once you're ready with that, you're gonna make the basic knot as normal. And again, we stop until we have 5 centimeters and then we cut it. And now we're gonna melt the rest. The complete bracelet is about 15 centimeters. Now, as a next step, we're gonna make the sliding closing knot. This is of 25 centimeters. And for the closing knot, we're gonna make the basic knot again. In this case, we're gonna make 7 to 8 knots. Once we finish with the closing knot, we're gonna cut the rest and we're gonna melt it. And now you can choose the size. As the next step, we're gonna introduce one crystal in each side and we're gonna finish with a simple knot. Once we finish, we're gonna cut the rest and we're gonna melt it. And this is how it looks at the end. It is a really beautiful design. You can try it on different colors and promise your customers will love this design. Thanks for watching and see you in the next